Hello dear traders, I'm Anna Kasatkina. You're watching Economic Calendar on Insta TV. Early next week, all eyes will be turned to the following macroeconomic events. On Tuesday, the US will publish the retail sales data for May. Analysts suppose that the indicator rose by 0.3% on a monthly basis. In April, the US retail sales advanced by 1.3% compared to the previous month. It was the largest growth since March 2015. Analysts had anticipated a smaller rise by 0.8%. The indicator's jump was mainly boosted by an increase in such categories as cars, petrol stations and non-store retailers, including online shops such as Amazon. On Wednesday, the US will reveal the May data on Producer Price Index. Economists predict a climb by 0.4% compared to the previous month. The annual dynamic of the indicator is rather weak. The indicator has not been rising for more than a year. However, the pace of a decline slowed in the recent months. In April, the zero change was logged. On a monthly basis, the US Producer Price Index output advanced by 0.2% in April after a two-month drop. Experts had anticipated a 0.3% rise. Besides, on Wednesday, the US Fed will announce its June decision on the key interest rate. Analysts suppose that the key rate will be kept unchanged at the level of 0.5%. At the previous meeting, the regulator also held the benchmark rate at the same level. Such a decision met forecasts of most analysts. The FOMC will take into account the current economic conditions while determining the timing and size of further monetary policy adjustments. The decision will be based on various data, including the labor market conditions, inflationary pressure and expectations, as well as financial conditions on both domestic and external markets. Besides, the following macroeconomic data will see the light of day early next week. On Tuesday, Australia will reveal the NAB business confidence data, and the UK will disclose the consumer price index figures. On Wednesday, the UK will report on claimant count change and unemployment rate. Besides, New Zealand will publish data on global dairy trade price index, and the FOMC will disclose its forecasts and hold the press conference. And this concludes the calendar of the latest financial events prepared for you by Insta TV team. Thank you and see you next week. Bye.